Now we start our new lesson, environment. Whatever we see in your surroundings, for example, air, water, sunlight, building, parks, forest, school, etc. What is environment? Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. Why is our environment changing? It all because of our needs. They are increasing day by day. We are therefore modifying and at a time even destroying our natural surroundings. From the above conversation, you understand that the place, people, things, and natural that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena. While the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic. Biotic, the word of living organism, example plants and animals. Abiotic, the word of non-living elements, example land. Next, components of environment. There are the three components of our environment: natural, human-made, and human beings. Land, water, air, plants, and animals comprise the natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere from your previous classes. Examples of human made components: buildings, parks, bridges, industries, roads, and monuments. Next, human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Humans must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. Natural components of environments, these are hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaux, plains, and valleys. Next, hydrosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different type of water bodies like river, lake, sea, oceans, like that. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. Plants and animals kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth. What is ecosystem? It is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of their energy and materials.